So welcome to the National Law School of India University course on Right to Information Act. This is a MOOC course on right to information, which is a part of human rights. The importance of this course is to be understood in the context of the enactment of the Right to Information Act 2005 and the establishment of the Central Information Commission at Delhi and various state information commissions at various state levels. The right to information is a fourth generation right which has a constitutional basis in Article 19(1)(a) with an object that this law will ensure transparency and accountability of the government and will help citizens bridge the information deficit between the government and its people. The Right to Information Act has various objectives. One among them is to ensure that the government at all levels discloses information that are necessary for citizens to make an informed decision. However, one will appreciate that the right is not an absolute one and there are various exemptions under the same. The assessment system will be based on weekly MCQ and written assignments. Reading material will be provided to the students along with lecture notes. Short assignments will also be given on a weekly basis. The course has 4 objectives. The first among them, we will try and understand the nature and scope of the application of the right to information, both in the constitutional and the legal perspective. We will try in this to look at the constitutional evolution of this right through judicial pronouncements. We will also trace the history and the background of the right to information when states, nearly 8 of them in India, had enacted a State Right to Information Act. We will also look into the People's Campaign on Right to Information and try and see how people's activism resulted in the enactment of the 2005 law. Second, we will also look at synthesizing the right with reasonable restrictions, especially under Section 8 of the Right to Information Act, with numerous Information Commission judgments as well as the High Court and the Supreme Court judgments. We'll try and see what is the nature and scope and the extent of this right and when can this right be denied. The third objective is to help the students who take up this course to draft RTI applications, to try and assess how to challenge some of the orders of the public information officers, both at the First Appellate Authority level and at the Information Commission. So there will be some practical case study examples of drafting applications and drafting appeals. Fourth, it is important to try and understand the balance that is necessary in protecting the right to information with certain other recent developments of right, like right to privacy, which is also an exemption under Section 8. And hence the course will try and give you not only a basic, advanced, but an in-depth understanding of the law, practice and application of this law, both in the Indian context and finally in the comparative context. Welcome to the course.